Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to, of course, my very own country, which is the Philippines. Mabuhay kayong lahat. And it was just concluded, the winner of Miss Ecotourism International, that our country, represented by Alexi Brooks, won this competition, that she did an amazing performance. This is our video reaction of her performance, everything in the Miss Ecotourism. What do you think, guys? She deserved, or let's see of this video, guys, the compilation of the video as she started in this Miss Ecotourism 2025. And I believe also when you are in your, like, when the stars align with you, and if you win something, you truly put your hearts in it, your mind in it, and you will be like shine like a star, shine like a diamond. And I think this is Alexis shining moment and winning moments. And let's get to know first, especially to non-Filipinos, who is Alexi. Then Alexi May Kaimoso Brooks, born in February 21, 2001, is a Filipino athlete, model, and beauty pageant title holder. She was appointed as Miss Eco Philippines 2025 and represented the Philippines at Miss Eco International 2025, held in last few days ago, 19 April, in Egypt. She became third Filipina Miss Eco International. Bravo to you. And I witnessed also when she joined Binibining Pilipinas that she did an amazing job, that she really wanted to win Miss Universe on that time. Brooks was, and her runner-ups, guys, Yulinar Fitrani of Indonesia was first runner-up, followed by, and Miss Indonesia was her best friend together with Miss Thailand. During those clips that I watched during her performances, or she was in Egypt, she was very close to these two beautiful women represented by Miss Indonesia and Miss Thailand. And she even like taught like Bisaya language, that hello dai, and I was very like she's very fun with that, and she's happy with that, teaching some of those candidates with our language, and that's amazing. And followed by Yelizaveta Adamska of Ukraine as second runner-up. Completing the top 5 were Cynthia Murillo of the USA as third runner-up, and Victoria Repulo of the United Kingdom as fourth runner-up. Alexis Win capped off her strong showing in the pageant. Wow, let's get to it, guys, and enjoy with this, and let me know at the comment section what are your thoughts with regards with her winning performance. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Enjoy. You're a superhero. With this.
Alexi May Kaimoso Brooks, Miss Eco.
Wow.
Philippines!
Her complete name, that's amazing.
Golden hue sparkles with royal elegance, honoring the eagle's majestic power. Leaf motifs and crystal beads weave the dense forest of the eagle's fragile habitat. This costume mourns the eagle's tragic loss while igniting hope for conservation. Miss Philippines, an eco-athlete, channels this strength through her Avance Babaya advocacy. Her work for women's empowerment and holistic health mirrors the eagle's soaring spirit. Your winner, her national costume, advancing automatically to the top 21. Please give it up for Miss Eco Philippines.
Your topic is fashion that cares for the future.
Good evening, everyone. When we talk about the world we're living in right now, it is such a fast-paced world that we want convenience in a lot of things, especially when it comes to fashion. But we need to understand that fashion is not only about glamour or about luxury. It's about thinking about our environment and our contribution towards environment. In the end of the day, if we want to protect our nature and our environment, we need to stay sustainable, especially in fashion. Thank you so much.
Short, straight to the point. I like it.
Short.
Only 2 more spots. And the next contestant and the next country was very lucky. I can actually give you a little hint. It's a country that's very famous in beauty pageants. The Philippines! Imagine the world in 2050. What's one thing you hope has changed and why?
You know, if you want me to be realistic, climate change is impacting our world right now. And the only thing that we can do is to act towards it. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, we have the same mother, even if we came from different nations. And we in here are brothers and sisters right now. And our mother is asking for our help. So we must save our planet Earth and we must take care of our Mother Earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Philippines. The winner of Miss Eco International and Miss Eco International 2025 is the Philippines! Congratulations to the Philippines, our winner for the night. Miss Eco International 2025. And congratulations, Indonesia, our first runner-up. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great night.
Wow! Sorry guys that my camera was fell and but still I continue watching with it. I'm so happy making this video reaction, and congratulations to all the winners, especially to Indonesia and to, of course, our very own Miss Alexi Brooks. That thank you for showing to the Philippines how you truly are, that you are amazing, not even just like a very humble and very down to earth person. That's why I think some of the question for me on my own side, she hit it directly, like on point on the answering the question, not just like flowering words and this and that, especially answering the sustainability, which is part of the ecotourism, that she hit directly. And I thank all the judges and all the Egyptians who are there present, that they love Alexi Brooks. And I think she is the most candidates to represent or to show to the world, like especially when the country Egypt, she has this aura of an Egyptian woman, that she, I think I saw one of the pictures that she wore something that a cultural thing of an Egyptian wardrobe that she's wearing, or the costumes, that she truly is an Egyptian woman. That's why she just loved by the Egyptian. She loved to those people, and I think her aura represented it so well. That's why even some of the question, I think on the finale question, the top 5 question, that I think that's not truly directed to the question, that as was she answering with that, on my own opinion. But still she won, because the judges, the people, and some of the candidates, majority of the candidates love her so much, because her aura, it's like a womanly, like a contender, a very strong personality. She had the poise, the glamour, the elegance, everything, the whole package to represent as Miss Ecotourism International is with Alexi Brooks, and I believe her talent and beauty and glamour. Wow, congratulations to everyone. Congratulations to the Philippines and bringing home the crown, the third crown of Miss Ecotourism International. Goodness gracious, I love her so much, and I hope guys you love her too. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting also with Alexi Brooks. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any pageant around the world, put in a comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. Thank you so much. Mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye guys!